name is Amelia. I'm a public health educator at MaineGeneral Medical Center. This presentation will cover basic information on the differences between two very common and commonly confused sexually transmitted infections, herpes and HPV. So let's start off with a basic question. Are herpes and HPV the same infection? Herpes and HPV are two very different sexually transmitted infections. Both HPV and herpes can be spread through anal, vaginal, or oral sex, contact with the infected area, or from mother to child during birth. Also, herpes can cause blisters and HPV can cause warts, but those are two very different diseases that can lead to different harmful health problems and need to be treated differently. Both infections, HPV and herpes, have no cure. 55 million Americans are estimated to have herpes in the United States. When someone gets herpes from another person, they usually don't have any symptoms. Sometimes people will have cold sores around their mouth and maybe some flu-like symptoms. Sometimes people don't even notice these symptoms and never realize they have herpes. Unfortunately, there is no cure for herpes, but there are treatments like anti-herpes medication, which can lessen your chances of giving herpes to someone else. So what is the most common sexually transmitted infection? Human papillomavirus, or HPV, is the most common STI. It is estimated that 1 in 4 Americans, or 79 million Americans, have HPV. If you are sexually active, you will most likely get a strain of HPV in your lifetime. However, most people who have HPV have 0 symptoms. There are many different strains of HPV, and some can cause genital warts, some can cause cancer. It is not possible to cure HPV, but there is a vaccine, commonly known as Gardasil, which can prevent against the strain of HPV that causes cervical cancer. Also, genital warts caused by HPV can be treated by a doctor with medication. True or false? If you don't have any blisters, you won't give HPV or herpes to someone else. That's false. You can still give HPV or herpes to someone else even when you have 0 symptoms. Meaning someone can give someone else HPV or herpes when they have no idea that they have the infection. This is why it's important to practice safe sex, using condoms every time you engage in a sexual act, having fewer sexual partners, and routinely getting tested for sexually transmitted infections.